Hey guys, so today Brett's at the barber getting his hair done. So I thought while he was gone, I would play a little prank on him. So Brett recently got the 1 million YouTube play button. So I'm gonna tell him, I'm gonna try to make him believe that I was trying to take a picture with it outside in natural lighting, and by mistake it fell off the balcony and now it's completely shattered and completely destroyed. So I'm gonna try to make this as believable as possible for him, and we'll see how he reacts. Okay, so I'm about to give Brett a quick call just to kind of like figure out where he is, because I don't know exactly what time he's gonna be home, and also set the pace that something's wrong. So I'm gonna call him and just kind of be like, oh no, something's really wrong, get home right away. So yeah, so I'll give him a quick call here and we'll see if he answers. Okay. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Where are you?
I'm just about to get to the elevator. What's that? The haircut was great.
Okay.
Did something happen? I'll be
Yeah.
for a second.
Okay, just like, please just hurry, because yeah, I just like, I need you to come upstairs right away. Okay. I'm gonna try to keep a straight face because I have a problem like when I can't smile, I can't stop smiling. So I'm gonna try to like really set the pace that something's wrong. So I'm gonna hide the camera right over here and kind of like be set up so I'm already crying, so that Brett already thinks something's wrong, even though the lighting is not very good over here. Wait, maybe I'll set the camera right here. And I'm just gonna sit, let's sit casually over here. Yeah, I'll just move the table a little bit so it doesn't look as funny. All right, fake tears. Time for fake tears. I have my tissue box. Maybe I shouldn't have a tissue box. I'll hide the tissue box. I'll just have some Kleenexes. I'll put this over here. Okay, all set. Now we wait for Brett. Cheers.
Wait.
Is everything okay?
No.
Oh my god, okay, what happened?
I don't know how to tell you this.
You're pregnant.
No.
What?
I took...
What? Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing, I'm crying.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I just gotta tell you this. I just have to tell you.
It's okay.
I can't even look at you right now. I feel so bad.
What did you do?
Okay, so I don't know why I did this. Okay. So
It's okay, honestly, it's okay.
I took your gold YouTube button.
Yes.
So
What did you do with the YouTube button? What did you do with the...
Don't look.
Okay, I'm not gonna look, okay.
Okay, so
Did you take it off? Did you take it off the wall?
Yes. Okay, so it's just so embarrassing. That's why I can't, like, I'm really just so embarrassed about the whole thing. So I took it off the wall and I wanted to get a picture with it in natural lighting.
You what? Okay.
I wanted to get a picture of it in natural lighting because I was like, I wanted to see how the gold sparkled.
Mm-hmm.
So I took it out. I feel so bad. I
it
feel really guilty.
out
Oh
the-
gosh, I can't believe I did this. I feel so stupid. Okay.
Okay, continue. Can I go
Okay.
see?
No,
Is it?
No, please don't.
Okay,
go.
I
Please
won't
don't
go look. I won't go look.
Okay, so I took it out on the balcony. And I put it over the edge to try to get a good angle of it with the CN Tower. And it fell. So I went downstairs.
It fell what?
It fell off the balcony. So stupid. I feel so stupid.
Okay, wait.
Oh gosh. Okay, so it fell off the balcony.
The gold play button fell off the balcony.
Yeah.
When you.
So, okay, so I went downstairs and it is shattered.
Well, I assume. Did it hurt anybody?
No.
Oh.
I watched it fall. It didn't hurt anybody, but it's completely, like, it's wrecked. It's completely shattered. So I just threw it in the dump downstairs.
Okay. No, it's okay. Honestly, it's okay.
Are you sure?
It's more funny than anything. I just can't believe that. I wish I could have seen
But
it.
you won't get another play button.
Yeah, it's honestly okay. It's not a big deal. It's a funny story that's, so wait, you want to see it, how to look in natural lighting. It's okay, don't feel
stupid.
bad, don't feel bad.
Okay.
It's
It looked
okay.
really good in natural lighting,
Did
but
it?
I wanted to get a good picture
You
of
did,
it.
you dropped?
I was gonna get a picture framed of it with the CN Tower in the background for you for Christmas. Yeah, it's no longer there.
What in the heck?
So it is like, I was gonna bring it up to try to glue it back together, but it's completely ruined. Like, it is not even salvageable anymore. So.
Wow.
Good breath?
I was not expecting that.
I'm just kidding.
You're just kidding.
I'm just kidding. It was a prank.
It was a prank.
Sorry.
You do pranks now?
I just thought of it. Well, you were at the
Wait,
hairdressers. I was like,
I'd asked you to.
What could I do? The camera's right there, by the way.
Oh, frick. That's actually well hitting. I almost want to show that. I honestly can't even see that.
So I was thinking of some.
Holy, you went all in.
I wanted to prank you on something, and I was like, what's something that like Brett really wants? And it's his. Here, I'll move the camera. It's his. He loves his gold play button, something that you can't really replace.
You're not one
So-
you always thought pranks were stupid.
I wanted to see what your reaction
If
was.
like in a normal situation, if I knew she was a prankster now, I probably would have been more skeptical. But it actually seemed legit. Like you
Well,
had.
I was trying not
You
to
just kept
laugh.
laughing, but
I
it-
know, but
I could see
was
why
trying
you were
to, like,
laughing,
I was
'cause I
trying
was
to
like-
make. I was trying to make it seem like.
Sometimes when it's awkward like that, she will laugh. And she'll like laugh because she's like comfortable with what she, and I could not.
So I like.
Don't
yeah.
take this the wrong way, but I could see that it wasn't that far-fetched of a story. Not that you would ever
would
drop
never
it, but I
take
could
it
see
off
you wanting
if
to
it's
see
black.
it in natural lighting. But
Yeah,
you did
I
take it off the wall.
Well, I took it off the wall and I hid it just so that because I knew you would go check. So I was like, I should probably hide it.
You had all your
somewhere.
bases covered.
I did.
Wow. Well, I guess I got pranked.
Brett has a new haircut too.
I have a new haircut.
both
I
do.
did not see that coming. I thought you must be pregnant or I didn't even know. I just thought it was the most awkward thing when you called me and you're just crying here with tissues.
Yeah.
I guess I got pranked.
You did. Got pranked. So.
Is this on your channel?
No, this is on Obliviate.
Oblivion. Oh, our couple show. We
Yeah.
needed content anyways. Good.
So we're back.
Good thinking.
I'm like, I need to prank Brett on something, so.
I just didn't want to be like.
I wanted it to be something
If she had
random.
a reputation of pranking, I'd have been like, you're lying. But I didn't want to be like insensitive in case she actually did do it and be like, oh, no, there's no way you could have done something that stupid. But so I didn't want to say that because that would just hurt your feelings more. So
yeah.
Do I still have it? Is it still?
Yeah, it's hidden in the bedroom. Yeah, I'll go get it.
What a little prankster! I did not know. Wow, I got pranked today. The first one's probably the easiest.
Right here.
You really went. Oh my gosh, it's still. I also didn't understand why you would throw it in the dumpster. At least salvage the pieces.
I know, right? That's what I would have done.
Yes, you would. I'm like, why? So I just threw it in the trash because it was so. I'm like, huh?
I threw it in the trash.
I was like, you dropped this thing 50 plus stories. It would have honestly hurt someone.
Yeah,
that's what I was most worried about. I was like, if she actually dropped this thing trying to get a picture, well,
selfie.
Well, hopefully Obliviate or the Barretts will have one of these of our own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe one day.
Maybe one day. Pranked.
Anyways, yeah, so that's our video for today.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe if you're new, and this is just like a fun video that I got to prank Brett in, which was kind of cool. And yeah, so we're back. So subscribe and like the video.